84 degrees, thick wildfire smoke, and absolutely no wind in Appleton. Just about as bad as you can draw it up right now in terms of airflow and circulation around here. 84, as I mentioned there in Appleton, it is very warm. Not as muggy today in Oshkosh, but that's going to be changing tomorrow. 83, because as we thin this smoke out and we pull in more of a southerly wind, we are going to get pretty warm and humid. So it's either we're smoky and not so humid, or we're going to get pretty warm and pretty muggy again as we just get a temporary break from the smoke. Visibilities, though, you'd think that we're just caught in the fog. Well, and we kind of are, but it's wildfire smoke right now. Visibility is underneath 2 miles in most locations. Much of the state of Wisconsin is feeling this and dealing with this. We have an air quality index still over 300 at this hour. Typically, we even stop looking after 200 in terms of concerns for how the impacts would be to those in the sensitive group. So we're at levels that, frankly, I don't recall seeing ever really as we monitor the AQI, and it's going to continue to be pretty tough here this evening and into tonight. But again, a little bit of a break coming for us at about this time tomorrow. Air quality alert until noon. Let's show you how this plays out. This is wildfire smoke and the projection of where the thickest smoke will be. So you want to look at the oranges and the purple colors. That's the really thick smoke. Tomorrow morning, we wake up, it's still there. But watch what happens as we head through the afternoon. You see how we get more of a south-southwesterly wind, courtesy of this area of low pressure moving into the western end of Lake Superior. This is going to be all about wind direction now going forward, because this smoke is not going to just dissipate in a short amount of time. It's going to stay around somewhere, and it just depends on how we're pulling in our wind, and not only at the surface but also just off the surface at about 5,000 feet. So notice as we head through Saturday, then it comes back. So we're going to get a break, but it returns, and it could be fairly thick even for north central Wisconsin again. But in the near term, with that break, we get a better air quality index. This is basically a projection of what it should be tomorrow evening. So we're in the green everywhere, and then another intrusion of some of that wildfire smoke on Saturday. So it's with us now. We're actually going to have a few thunderstorms possible later on tonight, as well as a warm front nudges closer. We need that warm front to pass through to influence our surface wind flow just enough. Something interesting here with all the wildfire smoke, really widespread over much of central and northeast Wisconsin. Our temperatures are down. You can feel it. We're now down into the lower and mid 80s. It's close to 90 out in La Crosse in southwest Wisconsin, and that's where we are getting storms to flare, right on the border or the edge of the blanket of the smoke. That's because temperatures are cooler underneath the smoke and not so much just off to the west there. We also have a warm front aiding in the development of some of those thunderstorms. So bottom line is that we have storms developing, and they're going to try to move east later on tonight. So anytime after midnight, we could have an isolated shower or thunderstorm. We're not expecting widespread severe weather or anything like that, but some brief downpours. This is all a good thing for us to help to clear our atmosphere out just a little bit of this wildfire smoke. Friday, again, just an isolated shower or thunderstorm. But here comes the cold front. As the cold front slides through on Saturday, unfortunately, we get back into more of a northerly wind and more smoke. All right, your forecast for tonight. Hazy and smoky, a few thunderstorms late. We are expecting lows to drop down into the 60s. Tomorrow, smoke thins, partly sunny with a spotty thunderstorm chance again. It's going to be warm and humid. Dew points up back to around 70. Out on the water tomorrow, if you have the day off, do feel for all those folks who probably waited all summer for some nice days, and now we're dealing with the smoke. At least it'll be clearing and thinning a little. 78-degree day temp. Here's your 7-day planner. Saturday, 84, with some spotty storms potentially popping up in the morning. Smoky skies, hazy conditions. We hope we can get into next week and it's a much different scenario, but I just don't see how this is going to clear in that short amount of time completely.
It's not a forecast anymore, it's a smoke cast.
Yeah, and I wish we weren't dealing with it. You know,
right?
It's tough. I've never seen levels of smoke like this here in our part of the state.
I haven't either.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Luke.